Galaxy S24 users. Big update shock. Samsung just hit the brakes on its One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. Yes, after almost a month of rollout. If you're using a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, you can't download the update right now. Why? Samsung hasn't given an official reason, but it's pretty clear they found some bugs or glitches after it went live. And guess what? This isn't the first time. Samsung recently paused the same update for the Galaxy S22 lineup just a week after release. While the S22 and S22 Plus have started receiving it again in most countries, the S22 Ultra is still waiting. What makes this situation unusual is the late pause. Usually, companies detect major software problems early in the rollout, not weeks later. So something unexpected must have popped up. The good news? Users who already installed One UI 8 on their Galaxy S24 devices are not reporting any major problems. Their phones are running smoothly, which suggests the issue might be limited to specific regions or rare scenarios. Samsung is likely being extra careful to ensure a flawless global release. Even the Galaxy S24 FE is affected, as Samsung temporarily stopped its update too. But there's no need to panic. This is just a temporary halt. Samsung will likely fix whatever's going on and re-release a stable version very soon. What should you do now? If you already installed One UI 8, relax, enjoy the new features. If you haven't updated yet, just hold tight. A safer and more stable version is on the way. Want instant updates on Samsung news, hidden features, and major software alerts like this? Make sure to subscribe, follow, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next.